Welcome students, welcome. Today our lecture is about additive inverse of a matrix. So in this lecture I will discuss what is additive inverse. So according to definition, if you say in definition, in real numbers, negative of every number is its additive inverse. Why? Because if we add any number with its negative, we got zero in result. So in numbers, if you add two numbers and you got zero in result, that two numbers are additive inverse of each other. And in matrices, negative of every matrix is its additive inverse. Why? Because when we add them, we get null matrix. For example, if you look at matrix A, the elements are 3, 2, 1, 4, and the negative of A is negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, negative 4. If we add these two matrices, the corresponding elements will be added. First element with first, second with second, third with third, fourth with fourth, and the sign will be changed: 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 4, and we got null matrix. So if you add two matrices and got null matrix in result, then the both matrices are additive inverse of each other. Hope you enjoy this channel. Please subscribe my channel and share it more and more. And in next lecture I will discuss the question of exercise 1.3. Thanks.